and nobody will intimidate him. Let me refer to our former president, Olusegun Obasanjo. He says that if head rotten, the body becomes what? Useless.
Wasting taxpayers' money.
Now, I'm still referring another issue again from former governor of Lagos State, Michael Omotosho. He says that if you are fighting for a cause and we are not ready to die on the cause, if need be, we are not serious. Let the message go to the General of Police that they will not leave him alone. We are strongly behind him. Filing a suit against this man, that a lot of armed robbers and criminals within themselves, none of them will be charged to court. Rather than they give their vacation to abroad. We are here to die. The retired police officer, we are here. They have been sending agency, DG, that be going all around in the name of how they can compromise, but we have already said no. What we needed is that police must get out of CPS.
No going back.
No going back. What police today are standing is that we needed PPB, Police Pension Board. No cheating. You can't work for 35 years, then they'll pay you 1 million naira. Me, I'm from River State. If now they pay me 1 million naira, can you take my family and I to my village? I'm an important man by tribe. I'm from River State. So no is no. And we continue maintaining our stand